So today we gonna learn how to draw female body in a very easy way with the help of center line and basic shapes such as circles and ovals. So your assistant Daisy will show you how to draw female body. Hand over to you, Daisy.
Hello. Let's start. As you can see this figure, there are so many circles and ovals hidden in it. Let's find them out. Now if you connect them, it will give you a basic female body structure. There is another method to draw female body, let's try that too. Here if we mark the torso part of this figure, we get a shape like this red region. Now remember this red region, it's important to give your drawing a female shape. And if we follow this red region, we get a female body structure. Now if we compare female body structure to male body structure, we can see female body is more round and curvy, made up of circles and ovals, whereas male body is edgy and less curvy, made up of square and rectangle shapes. And if we apply the red region, so it fits here too. Now, let's move to paper. Here we have a reference. Let's try to draw it by applying the techniques we learned. It's easy, just observe the reference and draw the circles and ovals first. Then join them with curvy lines by remembering that red region. See, we get our drawing. Let's take another reference. So we already have the shapes. Now let's join them to complete our female drawing. Remember, the size of waist area will be the largest part in your female drawing, and try to keep the head smaller. And here we get the female anatomy. Let's try to draw a female character. Remember, our goal here is only to learn the female body structure. Once you get the basic structure, you can add the further details. Observing the center line of reference is our first step. Once you observe it, draw the shapes following the flow of the center line. Then join them, and there you got your female character body. If you are a beginner, don't worry, you will get there with enough practice. Remember, when you draw from any reference, don't involve in the details. First focus to get the shape first. Focus on the outline of reference. Once you get that, you can draw the rest. I hope this tutorial will help you. If you want to see more tutorials like this, you can subscribe this channel and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.